Hello, dear IELTS candidates. I'm back again with another constructive and useful tip about IELTS questions, part two of speaking part, and the questions related to people. Well, we've talked about using present perfect as a tool to get a better score in terms of grammar. But today we're going to talk about this tense again, to use it to talk about achievements or someone's influence on you. If you clearly remember, the question that we have been dealing actually for a while, is the question that says, describe a person you would like to work with. And that would be ideal to talk about someone's achievement or someone's influence on you. So please follow me and let's see how we can use present perfect tense to talk about someone's influence or someone's achievement. Let's take a look. You can describe a person in part two by using present perfect to show life experience, change, and achievement. So life experience, change, and of course, achievement. For example, my grandfather has had a great influence on my life, or she has become one of the most successful people I know. So this is the formula, have or has, plus past participle, and we use it for three major issues: life experiences, results, or changes up to now. Take a look. My grandfather has had a great influence on my life. She has become one of the most famous actresses in the world. My nephew has helped me to see that family is the most important thing. So, check it out. My teacher, okay, there's something missing here, has inspired me to work harder. Okay, and of course, here, my uncle has built a successful business from nothing. So, to make the longest story short, one of the simplest strategies to talk about someone's achievement, someone's influence, or someone's change in life, you can use present perfect tense, and this will help you to come up with a more coherent story and of course to get a better score in terms of grammatical range. Thank you.